I am now. So today's Saturday, October 3rd. We're going to be working on this driver's side.
Why you put on your corporate voice?
We got the master fabricator going on 1 hour of sleep.
Okay. His corporate voice.
Yes. So the goal today is to get the other side welded in, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. It's going to be the same as the other side?
What's up, man?
What do you got going on over here, sir?
47 years, Joe.
Oh, man. You doing it the right way over there?
Little cutting, little fitting.
Yeah. Thinking by today we'll have these welded in and have those fenders in epoxy. We got to have them in epoxy because they'll rust. All right, so we're about to get these things in epoxy. We got them down to bare metal for the most part, about 95% bare metal. We got the patch panel in down there. Overall, they're not bad. They had a lot of material on there that they really didn't need. So we got them down to bare metal, both of them patched. Ready to roll. We're going to give it 2 coats, two unreduced coats of epoxy, and they're going to look 10 times better once we do that. So bring you guys back once they're coated. All right, so we got both quarter pieces in, and right now they're just in rattle can primer. It's going to need a little bit of pulling, but overall it's not bad. It's solid. It's way solid more than it was. So that was the goal for this weekend, was to get this side in. So this side is in, the other side is in. We're about to hit these fenders. Those are patched, those are solid. So the next step during the week here is we're going to fix this. We're going to pull this up. We might have to split it to give it a little better gap. And then these quarters are going to be down to bare metal. It has a lot of filler on it. Don't know what we're going to run into, but got some right here. It's about maybe 1/8 of an inch, 1/16, a little, somewhere around there. So the whole shell is going to be bare metal, and then it's going to be epoxy, so we know exactly what we're working with. So far, patches are in. Still need some minor stuff. Guys, back over here. I think this little door jamb right here needs to be hit up. And I believe we're going to be shaving the dash speaker. We're going to be shaving that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video for this weekend. Made some good progress. We had a 4-man team. Hit it for 8 hours, so we'll bring you guys back once we get the fenders in epoxy. All right, so we got this stuff in 2 coats of the SPI epoxy. Actually, we ran out. So the bottom section here is just 1 coat, but it's coated, and it's the first stage of many stages. So just wanted to recap. They're really not that bad. Of course, they got bumps and bruises. But now that it's uniform, you can really see what you're working with. And what's really good about the SPI is it has the sheen on it, so you can see what you're working with, and it's totally sandable. It sands like 2K primer. So I'm sold on this SPI epoxy. I've been using it for a couple of years. This top section's really nice. It has a couple dingers, but overall, kind of gives you an idea of what you're working with the gloss. I believe the owner is going to go black on the car, so that's something to note. I don't know. We're undecided. We're still a ways away, but mission accomplished this weekend. That was the goal, to get these things bare metal and patch paneled, patch repair, and in epoxy. So now they're protected. They can sit while we start on the body work on the shell. So I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend's video. I'm going to be taking some time off during the week here to hit this shell pretty hard. So going to be some more updates here in a few days. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more work.